This is a continuation of the last lecture where we explained introduction part with few SketchUp features. Let's move on. We are having an arc. A 2-point arc is enough to create a semicircle. It is drawn on horizontal. And if you want to make an arc which has a height of 1 meter, that is above the ground, you can do it while using the same tool. Click it, select the 2 points and orbit it, then type 1 meter height and press enter. Sometimes you may want to convert the arc into 3D geometry. Then you will need to close the 2 points with a line so that you will be able to press pull into different shapes. We also have normal 2-point arc, which is almost the same, but this creates arc by establishing center point. Then you will need to click one of the end point. That is how the arc is formed. So the bi-arc also works in similar way, but when the required arc is created, the arc will always be closed with 2 straight lines from the center point, regardless of its size angle. While giving the rotation angle, it should not exceed 360 degrees. Otherwise, it will keep on repeating itself as shown. Next, we have 3-point arc. This is useful when you want to connect geometries with an arc that touches 3 points. We will see its application in a moment. Let's go ahead to move tool. This tool has multifunction. It can be used as move or copy objects. Let's see how we do it practically. Okay, here we have a cylinder and a cube. To move geometries, we need to select it, triple click to choose object, or you can draw a small window over it for selection. Now initiate move tool, or you can press M using your keyboard. Now it can be easily moved. You can also specify how much distance you want to move by typing the unit length. You may want to press keyboard arrows to keep or lock the object in a line. For example, click it and move. Now press vertical arrow. As you can see, object is locked in vertical direction with dotted blue color line. You can also lock in left direction by pressing left arrow or right arrow if you want in opposite direction. Now we can make a copy of object by simply pressing Ctrl key on your keyboard, and if you want to cancel the duplicate copy, just press Ctrl key again. It erases previous command. While aligning geometries, it is better to pick a base point that can be one of its edges so that it is easier to align it perfectly, as you can see here. Ctrl key can also be applied for the edge line. Select command, click the edge, press Ctrl key, then the edge is taken out separately. If you want, you can modify or reshape the object with this command. For example, if I want to press pull this cylinder, I can do it with move command. Just select the face and extend it easily, or you can widen the cylinder just like this. Next we have press pull tool. Click it, press this face, press Ctrl key to create new face from top face. This helps to add or connect other geometries, and if you want to make a hollow or opening, you can press pull it back. This creates a cut or opening. Next we have rotate tool. Let's try to rotate this box. First select object, click rotate, choose top face, then select second point and rotate it. While selecting second point, make sure to select red line or green line. This gives you perfect angle rotation, and if you want to specify your own angle, you will have to type the angle. For example, I want a 60-degree angle, type 60 and press enter. You can also rotate by fixing one of the edge like this and rotate it. Next we have follow me tool. I will leave this command for you. Try to search its applications in SketchUp, and in the next chapter I will explain it in detail.